I'm back with another mini album share. I used the Gold Noir paper stack. Is a hot buy back in the day, 2015 I think, 2016. Yep, here it is. That's how much I have left. Okay, this mini album is gaudy, tacky, everything else. She is fully dressed with a faux fur spine. She is a mess. Look, child. I mean, and when I say the mess, well, it's a good mess. I just love it. She is this. I like this. When I first purchased this, I was like, what was I thinking? But it fits right nice on it. I didn't originally want to go this direction when I put the cover and the back cover on, but this is the direction it went into overdressed and tacky and gaudy, and I love it. Oh, here's the front. Here is the spine. And I like how it drapes on the bottom and the back cover. All right. Gaudy. Here's an envelope I made. It could be stuffed there. That I didn't know. All right. And here is a side pocket with a card and it in a frame where a picture could be placed down and journaling on top. Here's a journaling card, and that's how that pocket looks. I didn't spare any expense with the with decorating her. See how the fur, I love it. How the fur hangs. I love it. All right, turning the page. Here's a place for a picture, and I guess a picture could be placed right here. I just put that there, tuck it in there. See the fringe of it all. Here's a pocket, and there's journaling cards. These did not come with a collection. This came with, back in the day, my grocery store had these packs of journaling card stickers and frames. That's where these frames came from, for $1. And every time I would go in, I would try to stock up. I guess I didn't stock up enough. And then I put a French there. And it says, be wild. What this mini album is wild. And pictures could be placed, or journaling could be placed in there. It's about 20 or 30 pictures. I figured I could go in this mini album. Here is a vintage button holder, which I've used in another, not this one, but another mini album. And it's held together by a magnet. Hope you can see that. So open it up. Pictures could be placed on here. And again, I didn't tack down fully the frame on this. So, and more pictures could be stored in there because of the magnet. Here is not just any other day. Yeah, not when you dress like this. Here's where you can put your notes. Here's a waterfall feature. Did I put too much glue on? Pictures could be put. And then back here is a place for pictures or journaling. Did I put anything? Okay. This, wait. And then here is a wonderful card. Which way did I go? Which way did I go? And journaling or pictures could be placed there. I had fun making this mini album. It was this, at first it wasn't supposed to be over the top, and then it just went there. So I just went where it led. Here the paper is so pretty, I just left it blank and put my rhinestones down there, turning the page. This looks like a blouse. And, oh, don't jump stuff. Just put a picture frame down there. to give it some interest. And over here is just 3 tags. Laugh as much as you breathe, love as much as you live. And pictures could be placed or tucked in here. And I didn't put a closure on a mini album. I was going to put it here, but I couldn't find just the right one. Here's the back cover again. I just love this fur, faux fur. And that's my GAUDY tacky mini album. I love it. It's so much fun to make. Alrighty, friends. Because again, we're making this page here, the flat. Take an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, cut it down 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. Have my glasses on. So 6 1/4. Oh, I'll do this again. I'm gonna show you. By 6 1/4, because this is the base page. And I'm going blurry. So you're left with these 3 pieces. Okay. On a long piece, come in 1/4 inch to make the hinge. Come in. Okay. Not measure it, but eyeball it. Then you come in on the side. How I made the corner, the side pocket, is I just took the end up, come up where you can see a little bit on the edge, and evenly and then you just put a little bit of tape on that side, or glue, dry glue, and there's your pocket. Put tape here, measure it up evenly behind the hinge. I don't have my glasses on. I don't know why I didn't put them on. Evenly, I can't see. Let me stop. Okay. And there's your front. That's this part. Now for that part, the piece that was left, and this makes a tight pocket because we're not putting hinges on it. You just come in and you put some adhesive along the bottom and the sides. Don't do the top because you'll close your pocket. Then what will be the point? You'd be like, wait, what? I've done it. And here's your pocket. And there it is. And then you just put paper. And that's how I did the first page. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.